YouTube, what is up? I am Ace, and today I wanted to share with you the Tinetton 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station for your iPhone 12 series of phones. Now, it charges your watch and your AirPods and your phone, and I've done some reviews of other charging stations. This one's got some things that are different that I like, and some things that are different because they're just different. Now, again, thank you to Tinetton for sending these out to me to unbox and to get my thoughts. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, we have got the Tinetton 3-in-1 magnetic charging station that's compatible with iPhone case with MagSafe, MagSafe iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods. So essentially the iPhone's 12 series of phones. And what do we got around the box? We have got 15 watts of fast charging, and we have the wireless charging, adjustable angles, snaps magnetically into place, one dock for 3 devices. And looking around, what do we got here? The inputs, a QC 2.0, 3.0 charger. The output is the phone wireless charging at 15 watts. The watch charges 2 watts. Apple AirPods charge at 5 watts. And take note, iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods shown in the image on this package are for use demonstration purposes only and are not included in this product. It's not included in this tiny little box. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get this thing unboxed. Your little pull tabs. Ooh. Oh, I like that. And to get this unboxed. All right. So let's see, what do we got here? We have some instructions. Oh, look at that. Okay, so if you don't have an iPhone 12 series of phones, it comes with little magnetic rings that you can attach to your phone or to a case, and a stencil. Look at that. Now that is cool. So what do we got here? Instructions. And then you have, do not use the regular Apple adapter. Don't use the 5-watt adapter, it says. It's adjustable there. That's cool. All right, let's get into it. Let's check this out. So we have some screws. You have got the charging disc for the phone, and it comes with the USB Type A charger in the box. And then what do we got here? This is for, got a little packaging fuzz, and for the watch. And then we have the USB Type A cable to plug into the brick, and looks like USB Type C for the charger itself. And the screwdriver. Can't forget the screwdriver. It's always nice to get free tools. What else we got in here? Oh, what is, oh, the base. It's like, ooh, that's heavy. And there is packing fuzz. The base for the wireless, for the magnetic charging station. Okay, so let's try it out. It holds on there, and it charges. So let's also take a look. It said you could adjust. Oh, look at that. Nice adjustable. Like that. Pops right on there. And then you can go this away. Charges that way too. Very cool. So let's give, I have got my AirPods Pro here. And now these aren't, it's not a wireless charging, it's just a plug-in. Let's get my watch. Let's see how that does. It comes with its own puck in there, which is kind of nice. You get some charging stations that you have to put in your own puck. That charges up well. So let's go ahead and put the back on there. So I just want to double check, make sure all of this is charging at the same time. Bam. And then bam. Yeah. That works out pretty well. Nice little lip to hold your watch. And I also have a pair of, these are first gen or second gen AirPods. I can't quite remember. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. Those are charging. Okay. Now there are some differences between this 3-in-1 charging station compared to others that I've reviewed. Some that are good and some that are just different. For one, the charging disc for your phone, the different positions that you can put that in for different viewing angles, that's very cool. The Apple Watch charging puck, it's got that little lip underneath to prevent any type of slippage. That's pretty cool. Now, not that I've had any slippage problems in the past, mind you. I'm just saying that that's a cool design. Now, the AirPods, I'm more used to a Qi-enabled pad to charge wirelessly for my AirPods. But, I mean, if you have a first gen or second gen or you don't have the charging, wireless charging type case, that works out well. And, of course, it works well even if you do. Now, my one thing that I really like about this 3-in-1 charging station is there is no indicator light. There is no night light. There is no light to wake me at night, and I really do appreciate that. Now, there is some assembly required, just a couple of screws, comes with a screwdriver as you saw. It's no problem. But I do really dig this 3-in-1 charging station, and thank you again to Tinetton for sending me this for unboxing and my thoughts. Now I'm going to, if you're interested, leave a link down in the description. Now kids, if you like this video, drop me a like, sub to the channel for more, and YouTube, as always, be safe, be kind, peace and love.